ladies, so today I'm going to keep this intro brief. I am here to review this U-part wig from Nia Wigs. All the information will be in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out. But just real quick, some points I want to touch on. This is human hair. It is 16 inches long. It is in the color 1B, and it is the middle part construction. You can get middle, left, or right. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The curls are a bit bigger and looser. I have tighter curls. I have more of like a pencil size or pencil diameter curl, and my hair is very cottony, high porosity, and everything like that. So this is how I decided to style it, so that I got the maximum blendage so that it would look the most natural. But you'll see in the video where I went through a couple different ways on trying to figure out how I wanted to do it and why I ultimately settled on styling it like this. So definitely check out the rest of this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment boxes down below. Like I said, check out the description box for information on this unit. And yeah, it's super soft. I love it. It feels really good. I love that it's human hair, so it's easily manipulatable. Yeah. I'm gonna stop talking now because I've recorded this like 10 times and I just can't seem to get it together. So just watch the video. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Okay, so this is the packaging. It's super cute. I love the black and gold box. I am a graphic designer. I went to school for it, so I'm all about packaging and branding and whatnot. So I love their design. I love that they gave that free detangling brush, and then the wig comes in this really cute satin drawstring bag, which is perfect for storing your wig when you're not wearing it. The hair is super soft. This is human hair, like I stated earlier, so it feels very good. The cap construction has 5 snap clips around the U part opening, and then there are 2 slide-in comb clips on the side and 1 slide-in comb clip in the back, along with adjustable straps. So you have lots of options to keep the wig secure. The construction on the inside is a stretch net material, so your wig breathes, and the tracks are just sewn right onto that. So we're going to go ahead and snip those elastic bands that are holding the U part wig together. That's just there so the wig keeps its shape and shipping and whatnot. So I'm just snipping those off. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. I will do a close-up in a little bit here so you can see what it looks like once it's all snapped in place. I will say though now that I wish there was a comb closer to the hairline of the wig on the sides around the temple area, because I felt like the sliding combs that were on the side were set a bit far back. I thought I said big for a second. A bit far back in the wig, and made it a little bit more difficult to really get the wig as far forward as I would have preferred. Now, I got this wig in a large cap size. I always am rating wigs on whether or not they're big head friendly. I don't really have a big head, but I have a lot of hair, which oftentimes means most wigs fit snug on my head. And even though I cut my hair is still very dense. So here, I'm just moisturizing my hair. It's just water in a spray bottle. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't know who I thought I was and why I thought I could spritz my hair and keep any sort of definition. That was really my biggest struggle throughout styling this wig. My hair had been in an old twist out probably like 3 or 4 days, and I took it out, and so my hair was a little bit more frizzy than what I would have liked to try to blend with this particular curl pattern of the wig. So I put some moisturizer on it to help smooth out the frizz. But like I said, I should know better. I really, really should, because it really just caused my hair to frizz up more, because my natural curl pattern is much smaller than the curl pattern of even the twist out that I did. So my hair wanted to automatically start trying to revert to its own curl pattern, which just caused it to just be puffier than what I would have wanted. So I would have probably needed to just done a fresh twist out and styled it like that instead of trying to moisturize my hair. But you know, it is what it is. You live and you learn. So here I'm just taking small sections of my hair and twisting it in with small sections of the wig, so that way I could hide the fact that my hair is much shorter than the wig. And also I was trying to hide my colored ends. Now I did an okay job. It was a bit difficult, and that's just, it is what it is. If my hair was all the natural color, it would have blended a lot more seamlessly, but I wasn't going to cut my colored ends off because I have my hair cut into a blunt bob, and that's the style I've been wearing it in, and so that is what takes precedence over styling a wig. I really, really, really liked these bangs though, and I wish that I could have kept the bangs. As you'll see in a little bit, I end up going in and restyling it because it was just too much frizz, and then obviously the color differentiation was just not hitting. It was not cute, sis. So, but yeah, I really love the way the bangs looked. And if I had combed this wig out prior to styling it, I probably could have got away with the frizz and been okay. But you know, like I said, you live and you learn. Okay, so this is where I restyled it like I told you guys I was gonna do. And that's because when I went to go moisturize my quote unquote bangs, they end up being a lot longer than what was comfortable to even try to wear, even if I was gonna be okay with the colored ends and whatnot. So I parted it down the middle, and I basically just re-styled it the same way I had done before by tucking the ends into the wig and twisting them sort of together. And I really like the way this looked, but once again, there was a bit more frizz than what I would have liked. And I'm usually okay with frizz, but because the wig hair was not frizzy at all, it just didn't blend. It didn't have a seamless look to me. Now, to each their own, but for me, I wanted the two textures to blend a little bit better, so I end up styling it a third way. And here I am brushing the hair out with the free detangling brush that came with the wig. And I love, love, love the way it looked brushed out. I had very 70s Diana Ross vibes by doing this, and yeah, definitely, definitely love that. So I wish I would have done that from jump, like I said, because then I could have blended my hair with it better. But at this point, I'm going to just take and do more of a quote unquote sort of protective style, protecting my ends by basically doing two flat twists across the front along my hairline and then pinning them down. That way I don't have to worry about two different hair textures, and I don't have to worry about trying to blend in those colored ends and worrying about any of them popping out. Now I do have a more cottony, thick, kinkier hair texture. I have more of a pencil diameter curl compared to the curls in the wig. So if you do have a hair texture that is closer to the texture of the wig, then you'd be okay. But this was my workaround for blending the two textures. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I really, really, really loved the way it turned out. I thought it was super cute. and it was super easy, honestly. Like, even after I did all of this, I didn't spend much time on any of these styles. But I hope this gave you some ideas on different ways to style it. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys more towards the end of this video. All right, so that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment box down below. As you can see, I went through it and trying to figure out how I wanted to style this unit, but ultimately I'm super happy with this style, and I feel like this is a look that will definitely allow me to wear this a couple of days in a row, and I don't have to worry about restyling or manipulating my own natural hair to get the curls to look the way I want them to look. Yeah, I love it. I don't have to worry when I'm out and about. Is the wind gonna pick my hair up? Is it gonna do something crazy? To me, doing a style like this, whether you did a flat twist or a braid or anything of that nature, also secures the wig even more. I like how there were the comb clips that snap. That's even extra secure. I would have liked an extra comb closer to the edge of the hair towards the front to really secure it in there. But overall, I'm super impressed with this unit. Definitely check out the unit, and I will talk to you ladies soon. Bye.